Understanding Getting Cold Feet, a guide for English language learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel where we make English learning fun and easy. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating phrase, getting cold feet. This phrase is commonly used in English, but what does it really mean? Stay tuned as we dive into its meaning, origin, and usage. Getting cold feet is an idiomatic expression used to describe the feeling of nervousness or hesitation before a significant event. It usually happens when someone is about to do something important but starts to feel doubts or fears about it. This phrase is often used in situations related to weddings, big decisions, or major life changes. The phrase, getting cold feet, has an interesting history. It's believed to have originated in the military context, where soldiers might have had cold feet due to literal cold conditions, which could have made them hesitant to move or act. Over time, the phrase evolved to represent the figurative feeling of fear or apprehension, not just the physical sensation of cold feet. Let's look at some examples of how this phrase is used. 1. Before a wedding. I can't believe Jake got cold feet and called off the wedding. 2. Making a big purchase. I was about to buy the car, but I got cold feet at the last minute. 3. Career changes. She was going to start a new job in another city, but she got cold feet. These examples show how versatile the phrase is in different scenarios. There are other expressions similar to getting cold feet. Butterflies in one's stomach. Feeling nervous. Having second thoughts. Reconsidering a decision due to doubts. Feet of clay. To have a hidden flaw or weakness. Understanding these can help in grasping the nuances of English expressions. And that's a wrap on getting cold feet. We hope this video has helped demystify this common English phrase for you. Remember, idioms like this add color and depth to the language. So, don't get cold feet in using them. See you in our next video, and happy learning!